Today, I'm going to show you how to unlock the full potential of your Amazon Fire TV stick. We will access apps for movies, television shows, and sports that you simply cannot find in the official App Store. These are all free to use. First, navigate to the Find icon on your home screen. Select the search bar and type in the word Downloader. If the app does not appear immediately, try restarting your device by unplugging it for 30 seconds. Fire TV Developer Mode Tutorial. If it still does not show up, your specific Fire TV model may not support this app. Select the Downloader app and install it onto your device. Once that is finished, do not open it yet. Press the Home button on your remote and scroll over to the Settings gear icon. Select My Fire TV or About. Highlight the device name and click the Select button on your remote 7 to 10 times until you see a message stating that you are now a developer. Go back one screen to access the Developer Options menu. You are all set and ready to customize your Fire TV. Enter that menu and ensure ADB debugging is turned on. Next, go to the Install Unknown Apps option. Find the Downloader app in the list and turn that setting to On. I will show you why this step is important if you happen to forget it later. Return to your home screen and look for the three squares icon, which is your Apps and Games section. Your most recently downloaded apps will be at the bottom. Highlight the Downloader app and press the three-line menu button on your remote. Select Move to Front to place it conveniently on your main shortcuts menu. Now open the Downloader app and grant it permission to access your files. You can use the remote to control the cursor on the screen. Select the input field to type in a web address or a short code. We are going to use the short code 370178. Select Next to be redirected to the download page. App Installation Guide. Let's get started. Once the page loads, use the three-line button on your remote to open the menu and select Add Current Page to Favorites so you can return here easily in the future. Now, scroll down to find the apps you want to download. Select the file to begin the process. If you get a prompt about unknown apps, simply go to Settings through that prompt. Enable the permission for the Downloader app, and head back to finish the installation. Click Install in the bottom right corner. Once it is finished, click Done. You're all set. I highly recommend clicking the Delete button to remove the installation file and save space on your device. Confirm the deletion to remove the file from your system. You can repeat this process for any other apps on the page. To find your new apps, go back to your Apps and Games section and use the three-line menu button to move them to your main screen. For those of you who want to set up Kodi for sports and more, stay with me. Open the Kodi app and grant the necessary permissions. Go to the Settings icon, then select System and click on Add-ons. Enable unknown sources and confirm your choice. Go back to the Settings menu and select File Manager. Click Add Source and select the field to enter a URL, http://digs1.me/diggzrepo. Type in the required address carefully. Make sure you use the Shift key to get the colon symbol correct. Give the source a name and click OK. Return to the main menu and select Add-ons. Choose Install from Zip file and look for the name you just created. Select the zip file and wait for the installation notification. Once installed, select the repository to find your program add-ons. Find the Wizard app and select it to install. Once it finishes, select it again and click Open. Choose the build you want and follow the prompts to install it. This process ensures you have a great setup for your media needs. Once the installation is complete, the device will ask you to force close the app. Select OK and you are all set. I am here to help you get the most out of your devices with regular tips and tricks. If you found this guide helpful, please hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe to TechVibes for more tutorials. Drop a comment below to let me know which app is your favorite. Thanks for watching TechVibes.